Hello everybody, this is Mahantesh Bapri, BRP Secondary, BRC Vijaypur Rural. I am very happy today to bring before you a beautiful poem, The Blind Boy, which is for memorization and it is prescribed for 10th class English second language. It is written by Collis Burr, a famous poet of 18th century. So before continue, please subscribe my channel. If you find it good, like it, press bell icon to get notification for new videos. So before we start our poem, let's study about the poem. Collis Burr was an English actor and manager. Basically he was actor and he was a theatre manager. He had his own theatre and he wrote 25 plays for his own company. We can get ideas of early 18th century taste and ideologies in this poem. So we cannot avoid influence of the age in the poem of every poet. So it is, we can see 18th century ideas, lifestyle and views in Collis Burr's poem. In this poem, the poet tells us about the boy, how he expresses his feelings with hope. The blind boy never gives up his hope and confidence. Totally, he is a hopeful. So, let us begin the poem by reading it thoroughly. Name of the poem, The Blind Boy. Oh, say, what is that thing called light, which I must never enjoy? What are the blessings of the sight? Oh, tell your poor blind boy. You talk of wondrous thing you see. You say the sun shines bright. I feel him warm, but how can he or make it day or night? Or make it day or night? My day or night myself I make, whenever I sleep or play, and could I ever keep awake? With me 'twere always day. With heavy sighs I often hear, you more my hapless woe, but sure with patience I can bear a loss I never can know, a loss I never can know. Then let not what I cannot have my cheer of mind destroy. Will thus I sing, I am a king, although a poor blind boy, although a poor blind boy. This is a way how you can read the poem and try to understand the poem very easily. So you have some new words here. Blessings, favor or happiness. Sight, sounds indicating sadness. Mourn, show sorrow or regret. Hapless, unlucky. Cheer, gladness. Wondrous, wonderful. So ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕೆಲವು ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಸಮ್ಮರಿಯನ್ನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದು ಒಬ್ಬ ಕುರುಡ ಹುಡುಗನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಕವಿತೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೋಲಿಸ್ ಬರ್ರ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಬ್ಬ 18ನೇ ಶತಮಾನದ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಹಾನ್ ಕವಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕುರುಡ ಹುಡುಗ ಇಡೀ ಆ ಪದ್ಯದುದ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ತನ್ನ ಭಾವನೆಗಳನ್ನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. ಒಂದು ಸಲನೂ ಕೂಡ ತಾನು ಆಸೆಯನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ನಾವು ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಣ್ಣಿದ್ದವ್ರು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹಲವಾರು ವಿಷಯಗಳು, ನದಿ, ಹಳ್ಳ, ಕೊಳ, ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳು, ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬಣ್ಣಗಳು, ಇವೆಲ್ಲವುಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಆದರೆ ಆ ಕುರುಡ ಹುಡುಗ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅಶಕ್ತತೆಯನ್ನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವನು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಹೋಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆದರೆ ಜನರು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ತಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದನ್ನು. ಆದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಯು ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಜನರು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಆ ಜನರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಆ ಕುರುಡ ಹುಡುಗನಿಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಕಣ್ಣಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಗೆ. ಆದರೆ ಆ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಆ ಶಾಖವನ್ನು ಅವನು ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಈಗ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಬೆಳಕು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ, ಈಗ ಬಿಸಿಲು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತದ್ದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸೂರ್ಯನೇ ಹಗಲು ಮತ್ತು ರಾತ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಧರಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. ಆದರೆ ಆ ಕುರುಡು ಹುಡುಗನಿಗೆ ತನ್ನ ರಾತ್ರಿ ತನ್ನ ಹಗಲನ್ನು ತಾನೇ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾನೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವನು ಮಲಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಆವಾಗ ಅವನಿಗೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಹಾಸಿಗೆಯಿಂದ ಅವಾಗ ಅವನಿಗೆ ದಿನವಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ತನ್ನ ಪಾಡಿಗೆ ತಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವನು ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಗೆ ದಿನವಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಆಸೆಯಿಂದ ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಅದು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಆ ಹುಡುಗನ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಹಾನುಭೂತಿ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಿದರೆ ಆ ಕುರುಡ ಹುಡುಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ನನಗೆ ಸಹಾನುಭೂತಿ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಸಹಾಯದ ಹಸ್ತ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ ಅವನು ನಾನು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸಹನೆಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲವುಗಳನ್ನು ಸಹಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಎಂದೂ ನಾನು ಇದು ನಷ್ಟ ನನಗೆ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಆನಂದವನ್ನು ಕಾಣ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಆ ಕುರುಡ ಹುಡುಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದೇ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅವನು ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ನನ್ನ ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಸಂತೋಷ ಮಾನಸಿಕ ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯನ್ನು ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಅವನು ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಆಸೆಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ನಾನು ರಾಜನಂತೆ ಬದುಕ್ತೇನೆ, ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ರಾಜನಂತೆ ಹಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಕುರುಡ ಹುಡುಗನಾಗಿದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ರಾಜನಂತೆ ಹಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಆಶಯ ಭಾವನೆಯಿಂದ ಅವನು ತನ್ನ ಕವಿತೆಯನ್ನು ತನ್ನ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. Let us recite the poem with our students. Thank you, students. So this is the way how you have to write.
500 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
This is the way how you have to try to recite in your home. Within 2-3 days you can easily learn the poem very easy. So this is again I want to recap your knowledge about the poet. Let's recall the ideas. This is a fine poem written by Colley Cibber. The blind boy is the speaker. He expresses his feelings in the poem. He says that he cannot see beautiful things like river, sea, flowers, lake, beautiful colors, lawn, etc., etc. He wants to know about the blessings of the sight, but he cannot. People around him talk of wonderful things they see, but the blind boy cannot see. They say that the sun shines bright, but he cannot see because he is blind. But he can only feel the warmth of the sun. By that he can feel the bright sun. He cannot understand how the sun makes a day or night. For us, sun makes day and night. For the blind boy himself makes his day and night. It is night to him when he feels sleepy. It is a day when he is awake. He feels sorry when people around him show sympathy. He wants a helping hand to him. This is the thing. He asks the people not to destroy his peace of mind. He pacifies himself, yet he is sure that he can bear blindness with a greater kind of patience. He says that though he is a blind boy, he is as happy as a king himself. The poem ends with hopefulness. This we can remember. The blind boy is always hopeful though he is blind. This is very important. We cannot avoid our troubles and tortures. Still we have to be very hopeful in regard to future. So this is very important. Again, let us focus on two mass questions. Who is the speaker in the poem, or whose voice is it in the poem? You all know that. Who is the speaker? Certainly the blind boy. Second question, the blessings of the sight. Line 3, can you list out them? You have to list out beautiful things of the world. Next, third question, what are the wonderful things the people can see? You can explain wonderful things, what you have seen, whatever the beautiful and wonderful things. Time does not permit me to tell all those things. So try to write answers to these questions in your own way and show it to your teacher. How does a blind person understand whether it is a day or night? It is very, very important question. Next, fifth, how does blind boy pacify himself? This is also very important question. Sixth one, what a normal person can easily understand is almost a riddle or difficult to the blind boy. What is it? So this is also very important. Lastly, seventh question, what is the message of the poem The Blind Boy? Such questions can be asked. So I forgot to tell you here is that even extract can be asked. So bring some important lines and question them like this. Who said this? To whom it was said? Why does it said? Or we can say why these things are happening. Like this, make your own questions by taking some beautiful lines from the poem. This is expected. Next, how 3 or 4 marks questions are asked on this poem. So firstly, quote from memory or memorization. So you have to recite and try to write it at least 10 times in your notebook and practice it. So certainly this poem can appear in your examination question paper. So how long question can be asked? The possibility is, so it comes under explanation questions. So they never ask a direct question. So they give one statement, you have to explain that statement with regard to that poem. How? Let's see. First question, though the blind boy cannot see the wonderful things, how can he pacify himself and try to lead happy life? Explain. Secondly, write the summary of the poem. Blind. Any question, any long question, if they ask in any way, just try to write its summary according to question. This is very important. So thank you for watching my new video on The Blind Boy. Kindly subscribe my channel, and if you find it good, please press like button, and do not forget to subscribe my channel so that you cannot miss new ideas on the topics. So please press bell icon button so to get new notification for my new videos. Thank you everyone.